G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia, rules in millimetres, and I've put a bit of water on it to help bring out the colours. This one you can see the bars of opal coming through here. It's only thin, but if you put the saw through one side there, close to the other bar, I think you'll get a couple of chances of looking at that. Then put the saw through here, and a little triangular stone here. The other piece, very vibrant colours up the end here. The alternative with this, instead of trying to chase the colour bars, if you wanted to, you could slice it, so you end up with a potch and colour type stone. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed, but see what you get out of that. I hope you get something good. Cheers.